Hi guys, I will show you today in detail our free variations of copying trades from our free Telegram group. Enjoy! Before the video starts, subscribe me on YouTube and follow my Instagram account M&WTrading for daily trading content. First of all, to copy our trades, you need the exchange, so check out my video linked down below how to sign up on ByBit and get up to $4,000 in bonuses for free. So guys, now you can see the three variations: M&W original, low risk and high risk copy trades. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to copy our trades in the M&W original style. Here you can see the shares taken out per TP and percent. So let's start. Let's say we want to copy the Atom trade. To start, we have to check the entry price, and as we can see, we are right now in the entry price range. Now you can see leverage recommended 10x to 20x. Let's say we want to use 20x. I always use isolated. We want to long 20x. I typed it in, man. 20, confirm. We are right now on our example account, so let's say we want to order by cost, let's say 3 USD. Open long. Confirm. Now we want to set the first 5 targets, so let's do it. Close by limit. We type in the price of the first target, 13.848, and as you can see, first CP we take out 30% of the trade, so we go to the calculator. 4.3 times 0.3, it's 1.29, so 1.29, okay, 1.3, and we
don't
confirm.
forget to use our referral code 44799.
Second target 14.231, so we type that in, limit 14.231, and as you can see, again 30% of the trade, so 1.9 of our position size. Confirm. Now we have to do it with every trade. Next target 14.63, and this time only 15% of our trades, so we type in calculator. The position size is 4.3, so 4.3 times 0.15, 0.645, so 0.645, let's say like that, and confirm. Now we have to do the same with the target 4 and 5 that is remaining, so let's start. The next variation to copy our trades, it's called low risk. It's almost the same, only thing that has changed is the first TP. If we reach the first TP, we have to move the stop loss price to the entry price. That's why it's called low risk, because if we reach the first TP, we can only win the trade. The last variation is the high risk variation. All you have to do is do exactly the same you did in the M&W original, but you have to change the percentages. So let's take a look at our Telegram, M&WTrading, link down below if you want to join. We just posted our weekly overview. This week we made 1250% in profits. Congratulations to everyone who copied our trades. If you doubt it, guys, because some of you may not believe this because it's such a high number, I have every detail. It took so many hours to calculate these percentages, so I can send you every detail of our calculating if you don't believe us. Hopefully, after this video, you're ready to copy our trades. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Hello guys, I'm cutting the video right now. I just want to inform you that the Atom trade is going crazy. We reached 40 Ps out of 6 and the trade is above 200% in profit. What are you waiting for, guys? Start copying our trades. Don't miss the moment.